Nieces away, so he doesn't feel like pushing. No, it's hard because he pulls.
Riley, you have company.
You're right, hey Jojo.
What you doing, buddy?
Boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Let's go run.
This is what I want.
No hiss from Riley? Good. Riley said he's a good dog. He's good people.
Say hi, Riley. Oh.
Very good. Hi, buddy. Hi, handsome. What are you doing, silly?
Should I go one more time?
Why not? One more. Third time's a charm. Not that the first two weren't, but... Go ahead, Bubba. Go ahead. Go get her. What's nice is he sees him, he sniffs him, and then he goes and looks at something else, so he doesn't have like a strong interest in him.
Riley's perfectly calm.
See, and that time he wasn't even like curious.